In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix weird spacing between words here in Canva. Now, you might have some text on the canvas and it looks like this, and it's got weird spacing between, and no matter what you do with sizing the box, it doesn't seem to rectify itself. Now, the reason for this is you have it on the wrong setting. Now, what this is trying to do is justify text, or make your text justified. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means it's trying to line it up on each side of the box, as we can see just here. Now, to put this back to normal, we simply want to come up to the toolbar up here and click on the alignment button. Now, if we click this once, it's going to align to the left. If we click it again, it's going to center the text. Then if we click it again, it's going to align to the right. But if we do it one more, we're going to get that justified text. So for this example, I'm going to align this to the left, just like that. But nonetheless, that's how to fix weird spacing between words here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.